Study Session 1: Sociology and Sociology of Education. Introduction. We will start this study session by exploring the concept of sociology in diverse ramifications and its importance to education. We will also discuss the meaning of society, learning outcomes. When you have studied this session, you should be able to 1. Present sociology as a science. 2. Explain sociology as a science. 3. Highlight the relevance of sociology to teacher education. Terminology. Sociology: the study of human behavior in group social relationships. Educational sociology: the application of general principles and findings of sociology to the administration and/or process of education. Society: a single group or community, persons who share a government and/or a land area and/or social relationships. The complex of factors as activities. Culture: total way of life and complex social heritage of a people, including their accumulated belief systems, notions of appropriate behavior and definition of good life. Subculture: minority groups within a general culture, e.g., social class, ethnic groups. Socialization: the means through which the young acquire the information, skills, and attitudes of a society. Enculturation: the process through which the young learn the traditional ways of a culture. Acculturation: the process through which a society learns new values and customs. Institution: an organized pattern of behavior. Status: a position within an institution. Power: the ability to get others to do things. Anomie: it is a social condition characterized by the breakdown of norms governing social interaction. Globalization: the process by which the world is said to become a single space with unified ideas, communication, economy, values, and culture. Role set: the patterns of behavior that govern the various relationships between one status holder and all others in an institution. Role: the pattern of behavior that governs the interaction of one status holder with another. Values: generally, what you like, what you want to do, or what you don't want to do. Disintegration: loss of integration or values. Meaning of sociology. Sociology is the scientific study of human social relations or group of life. Other disciplines within the social sciences, including economics, political science, anthropology, and psychology, are also concerned with topics that fall within the scope of human society. Sociologists, however, focus on the ways in which social structures and institutions such as class, family, community, inequality, power, and social problems such as crime and abuse influence society. According to Anthony Giddens, 1989, sociology is the study of human social life, groups, and societies. It is a dazzling and compelling enterprise, having as its subject matter our own behavior as social beings. The scope of sociology is extremely wide, ranging from the analysis of passing encounters between individuals in the street up to the investigation of worldwide social processes. Sociology as a science. There has been a long debated controversy of whether sociology is a science or not. Positivists claim that science uses established methods and procedures of observing facts, and that these methods and procedures can be applied to social sciences. They believe that social facts can be observed objectively, measured, and quantified. They also believe that analysis of statistics can reveal correlations, causes, and ultimately laws of human behavior. From this point of view, sociological studies using such methods can be considered to be scientific. Positivists see the use of scientific methods as highly desirable, and they tend to be critical of those sociologists who study subjective and unobservable mental states. Sociology and the social sciences. Sociology is a social science that studies society and the individual in perspective of society. The origins of sociology lie in the 19th century, but during the 1960s to 1970s, it became a major social science subject taught in universities, colleges, and schools. The scope of sociology becomes more scientific with time. Social interaction, or the responses of individuals to each other, is perhaps the basic sociological concept because such interaction is the elementary component of all relationships and groups that make up human society. Sociologists who concentrate on the details of particular interactions as they occur in everyday life are sometimes called micro-sociologists. Those concerned with the larger patterns of relations among major social sectors, such as the state and the economy, and even with international relations, are called macro-sociologists. Sociology of education. Sociology of education is the analysis of sociological processes involved in the educational institutions. This area of study evolved out of the field of educational sociology and emphasizes the study within the institution of education. Social processes can be problems faced by the institution or people that make up the institution, such as teachers, students, administrators, and so on. Important areas of study in sociology of education. 1. Educational processes that have social relevance on the social life of a learner. 2. Educational concepts that are of social relevance. These are social groups and associations within the school. 3. Social systems and institutions which are relevant to education. And lastly, a comparison of the educational systems of different parts of the world. Educational sociology. This is the application of general principles and findings of sociology to the administration and/or the processes of education. This approach attempts to apply the principles of sociology to the institution of education as a separate social unit. It is the primary concern of the sociology of education to investigate the sociological aspect of educational phenomena and institutions. And the problems here examined are regarded as essentially problems of sociology and not problems of educational practice. Importance of sociology to the teacher education. In order to have a deep understanding of the importance of sociology to teacher education, it is important to define sociology again, to see the aspects that have direct relationship to the teacher. Sociology is a systematic study of social behavior and human groups. It focuses primarily on the influence of social relationships on people's attitudes and behavior and how societies are established and changed. Number 1, there is a lot of interplay and display of social behavior in the classroom, both by students and teachers. Hence, the classroom is a natural setting for the observation of human behavior. 2, in the classroom, the teacher relates with students as a group. He or she also has a first-hand knowledge of the behavior pattern of each of his or her students and how these can affect learning. Number 3, the students in the classroom relate with one another, and by doing this, they influence one another, both positively and negatively, which eventually reflect in the attitude to their studies and in relations with significant others. 4. There are features in the society that are established, such as the military government in Nigeria in the recent past and the established democracy the country is currently experiencing, which have their different impact on the school as a micro-society. The teacher has to understand this. Number 5. Changes can also be in the area of technology as we have it now. Hence, the teacher has to move with time in being abreast of changes around him or her. 6. Knowledge of sociology is helpful. The teacher can predict certain situations and fixes them quicker and more easily than others would do, providing more time for actual studies. 7. It helps the teacher to understand students' background and why they act the way they do. Number 8. Sociology and education go hand in hand. Hence, its knowledge makes educators today fully prepared for the situations they will encounter, and those with a sociological background will have a much easier time solving the problems. Study session summary. In this study session, you have learned that sociology is a systematic study of human behavior in groups. You were also exposed to the relevance of sociology to education. End of study session 1. Thank you for listening.